Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm here with a video on what to do with your stamp set once you buy it. Okay, first thing you need is paper cardstock. This is a medium cover weight. It's actually Nina Solar White. And then there's a heavier 110 pound Solar White by Nina, which is great for card bases. I use medium layering weight for most of my stamping. And then you have inks. There's VersaFine, which is a super black ink, which is great for sentiments. Most commonly used is Memento Tuxedo Black, which is also great for regular stamping and colouring in. It can also be used with Copic markers. Versamark is used for heat embossing, which is a completely different story and a different topic altogether. And we have regular coloured inks, which come in little cubes or full-size ink pads. So you get your stamps at home and you open the packaging, and then you can gently peel off your stamp from the acetate and mount it on an acrylic block. If you don't have an acrylic block, you could use any flat surface that you can see through, because it helps to be able to see it. So you would mount it on your ink pad, on your block, and ink it up. So you just tap the stamp in the ink pad, making sure it's nice and covered, and here you can see it is. Then you bring it to the paper and you press lightly but firmly on the paper, an even amount of pressure. You don't want to push too hard as it may smudge. And then you lift it up carefully, straight up, so that it doesn't smudge as well. So once that is done, you have other options, whatever you want to do. You could colour in the Christmas tree with Copics or colouring pencils or markers or whatever you want to do. A quick and easy way to do some colouring is to use a coloured ink pad. So here I have another stamp from that stamp set, which is little Shamrocks, which I think is the cutest thing. So ink those up and you turn it around, you line it up because you can see through the stamp, so you can make sure it is all in that Christmas tree. And then push down nice and evenly. Oh, I almost did it messed up. And there you have a Christmas tree. After that, you can use another sentiment to put on your card. Like here is "We wish you a Merry Christmas." And you could even put it up here or anywhere you want to. And then you're sorted. So that is what you can do. Then you could use some double-sided sticky tape to mount that onto a card base, and you'd have a little card. Now, it wouldn't be a very interesting little card as is, but you could do other Christmas trees around it and it would be lots of fun. All right, so there you have it. What to do once you get once you're new to stamping, and what to do once you get a new stamp set. Have a good day, guys. Bye.